Petar, thank you very much for such a nice talk. I think it was really a glimpse into the future of how to reverse time. I'm joking now. But thank you for this very nice talk again. I mean, going into a little bit of the time problems that we have in the future and with the digital twinning of everything else. Can you give us the highlights of your talk, please?
Sure. So when we talk about 6G, it is a communication infrastructure that is going to basically support the data that will come into the digital infrastructure from the physical world and from humans, right? And with the development of AI, there will be certain engines that are going to do inference and training and so on. The point is that most of the new data will, of course, come from the edge, from this physical world. And this data will represent certain sequence of events, their causal connections and so on. And the responsibility of the future base station would be to preserve these causal connections and provide them to these algorithms in a way that is not going to, let's say, distort the reality, right? So one thing is maybe in the future we're going to have temporal forensics. So when we have these autonomous systems, and they are interacting with each other. Let's say there is a traffic accident between a flying car and a normal car, and then we need to find out what exactly happened in which sequence, and our witness will be the digital infrastructure. So that's why I tried to make some very simple models to capture these trade-offs.
Yes. And you launch a series of new topics for research in the next years, right?
I do hope so.
Because there's a lot of stuff to be done in that area.
I do hope so, and I think this has also let's say, a protective aspect of it, right? Because when a lot of data starts to come and humans start to become dependent on this data that is processed by AI, so we need to have a certain level of trustworthiness and, let's say, a temporal order that corresponds to reality.
Thank you again. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.